can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we're taking a look at the general cryptocurrency market. We're having a huge bounce in the market. The last 1 week, I've seen altcoins bouncing from the bottom. Fartcoin up 97%, Shiba Inu, Render, Beryl, Dogecoin. Basically, any altcoin you bought in the last 1 week, we have seen some profits. Sentiment in the market is improving. Bitcoin trades above $88,000. How high can we go in the coming days and coming weeks? Are we already in that relief rally, or is it just the dead cat bounce? Are we in the dead cat bounce, getting ready for that dump to gobbling town? We'll take a look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with liquidation in the cryptocurrency market. The last 24 hours have seen more than 82,000 traders getting liquidated. Total liquidation is coming in around $168 million, with the bulls losing $75 million and the bears losing $93 million. The highest liquidation happened on Bybit. One trader lost $2.65 million. And right now, Bitcoin, the king of the market, trades above $88,000. Bitcoin found the bottom around $76,000 level on the 11th of March 2025. Since then, we've seen a reversal in fortunes for market participants, as we've seen Bitcoin rally up by around 15%. We have seen Ethereum, king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market. We have seen it go from as low as $1,757. Ethereum has gotten to as high as $2,100, a 19% gain. Bitcoin dominance in that time frame has also started dumping, which might signal further upside for the altcoin market. We have seen Bitcoin dominance go from 62.19%. We've seen Bitcoin dominance come back to as low as 61.4%. In the next few days, we're expecting a huge pump in the altcoin market. Total crypto market cap sits around $2.84 trillion. We saw a bottom in the total crypto market cap around the $2.84 trillion level on the 11th of March 2025. Since then, the whole market has gone up by around 16%. I would expect us to continue pumping. We talked about that idea of a relief rally coming in for the markets. My fundamental case in the cryptocurrency market for 2025 is that we're bearish. I believe the market topped on the 16th of December 2024. If you look at the price chart, we saw a new high. If you look at the RSI, we saw a higher low, which was a huge red flag that was downside. That was a bearish divergence. And since then, we have seen prices go down to gobbling town, even though we saw a failed rally in January of 2022 and 2025. We saw a failed rally in January of 2025 when Donald Trump was elected as president. That rally was when Donald Trump launched his meme coin. That was when Solana went to as high as $298 right now. Solana currently sits around $140. I believe we're going to see that relief rally take the total crypto market cap to as high as $2.9 trillion. We might even rally above that $2.9 trillion level. Best case scenario, in the next few days, we'll see the market getting to as high as the $3.35 trillion level. And the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin, the altcoin market, expect the altcoin market to join the party. We're already seeing altcoins outperform Bitcoin from the bounce. Bitcoin has gone from $76,000 to $88,000. The altcoin market has done better than Bitcoin already. I expect that to continue. The altcoin market has outperformed Bitcoin. Altcoin market is up 18%. Bitcoin is up 16%. Let's talk about sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, sentiment is neutral. Yesterday, there was fear in the market. Last month, sentiment went back to neutral. Bitcoin is trading at $88,000. And market participants can decide, are we pumping to the moon, or are we dumping to gobbling town? If you take a look at what has happened over the last 1 year of sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, we have seen the market go to extreme fears. That was in August of 2024. We have seen it go to extreme greed in November of 2024. And right now, we have seen another extreme fear event in February of 2025. I believe we are setting ourselves up for that extreme greed phase where the market will be pumping, where we'll see the end of this relief rally. The last 1 week has been kind to the altcoin market. Altcoins are pumping front, left, and center. The last 24 hours have seen those altcoins continue moving in the right directions. A lot of bears are getting liquidated. Market participants that were late to short the market right now they'll be running helter-skelter because right now the market is pumping, and when the market is pumping, bears are getting liquidated, and we are seeing the meme coin market take off. We've seen Dogecoin over the last 7 days rally up by 20%. Shiba Inu is up 20%. Pepe is up 20%. Official Donald Trump meme coin is up 7%. And we have Bonk giving us a 38% move. But the big one is that Fartcoin and SPX 6900 are up way over 76% in the last 7 days. Are meme coins going to make a comeback? Is that why they're pumping aggressively? Market participants are getting very, very enticed by those huge gains. In the coming days and the coming weeks, guys, I'll not be shocked if we see more pumps in the meme coin market. And we might see more pumps in Ethereum, we might see more pumps in Solana. A lot of these coins will be going for that retracement rally. In the case of Ethereum, we saw it dunk by more than 50% from the top. We saw Ethereum topping in December of 2024. I believe that was the bull cycle top. I believe the bull run is over. And we're in the early phases of the bear market where market participants are still in disbelief. We saw Ethereum dumping by 56%. I don't think that's a bull market price action. A major asset, the second biggest asset we have in the cryptocurrency market, dumping by 50%. I don't think that's a bull market action. An argument can be made that Bitcoin, the king of the market, only made a dump from $109,000 to as low as $76,000. Bitcoin dumped by around 30%, which can be argued is still a bull market action, but you have to watch out for that. Ethereum dumping to Goblin Town, signifying the start of a bear market, should not be taken lightly. And in the coming days and coming weeks, if we see Bitcoin dominance dumping aggressively, if we see Bitcoin dominance getting maybe to as low as 57%, maybe even get to as low as 53%, you can never say never when altcoins markets start going, when Bitcoin starts dumping or Bitcoin is retracing and the altcoin market starts pumping, things can get very, very chaotic. We saw an early version of that in November of 2024 when the altcoin market went bazooka, and in the space of 21 days, we saw a lot of altcoins pumping aggressively. We saw XRP having that crazy pump when it went from 0.5 cents in November of 2024. By the time we got to December, XRP was way above $2.8 in just 28 days, a 400% pump in one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies on market capitalization. So crazy things can happen, and those crazy things happen very, very quickly in the cryptocurrency market. So you have to put your eyes on the charts. Bitcoin the last 7 days is up 5%, Ethereum is up 6%, XRP is up 7%. Solana has gone up 14%. BNB has only seen a 1.95% increase. Dogecoin is up 21%, Cardano 8%, and Chainlink is up 13%. Over the next few days, guys, don't get carried away. We might see some great return back to the cryptocurrency market. You might see some bullish news. Remember, plan your trade and trade your plan. Before you make any investments, you want to do your own research and analysis. Market sentiment is always wrong at the extreme. Let's look at some news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. CBOE seeks approval for Fidelity Solana ETF, waiting for altcoin season. Data suggests it's already here, as altcoins already outperforming. Bitcoin Ripple will drop cross appeal in SEC case, get refunded from lower cost ruling. It's very, very good to see the crypto market is getting very, very good positive reviews from the SEC. Over the last few days, we're seeing a lot of cases against crypto companies getting dropped. We're seeing the SEC making moves to make the space more healthy. It's good to see, but guys, when government gets involved, the game is almost over. The SEC closes investigation into Immutable nearly 5 months after well notice, and that's helped the coin. We've seen a 15% move in Immutable's price over the last 24 hours. FDIC moves to eradicate reputational risks category. FDIC moves to eradicate reputational risks category from banks exam. Crypto influencers Big Boy Armstrong arrested in Florida. What a fall from grace for Big Boy Crypto. He has been spiraling out of control. All the time will tell whether he will find his feet again. Bitcoin Ethereum to end Q1 in the red, vertical swing up unlikely. I think Bitcoin is going to end Q1 in the green. Right now, we're seeing that huge rally. SEC plans for more crypto roundtables on trading, custody, tokenization, DeFi, and X has surged 15%. The last 24 hours have been good for the altcoin market, guys. Drop it out in the comment section. Which altcoins are you buying? How high do you see the altcoin market going over the next few days? Do you believe this was a dead count bounce, or do you believe in this relief rally? Will it take us to new all-time highs? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investments in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video. So that crypto market cap currently sits around $2.72 trillion. This was the previous all-time high where we got to in the 11th of March 2024. Right now, we have turned that previous resistance into support. Hopefully, we'll see retracement rally just like we'll see for Bitcoin, just like we'll see for Ethereum, just like we'll see for Solana. I expect the total crypto market cap to give us one bounce before we begin our dump to gobbling town mode. Opinion: the bull market is over. The bull market ended in December of 2024. A lot of market participants are still in denial about that. You're not going to see anybody agreeing till maybe the middle of 2025 when we are already deep in gobbling town. Right now, we're going for that encore rally. We can see the crypto market cap easily rally to as high as $3.45 trillion. That will be about a 30% pump from where we are currently trading. Guys, the last pump before the dump is the most dangerous pump. The last pump before the dump is where you want to run for the hills. Take a look at what happened in 2022. They had seen Bitcoin going to new all-time highs, going to $69,000. Bitcoin having the first pullback, and then we saw that retracement rally. That was where you had to run out for your life because a huge dump was coming. Bitcoin rallied to $47,000. After dumping to $33,000, we saw Bitcoin give us a rally of around 45% in 63 days, and that was a sign to run for your life. Because after that rally, a huge dump to gobbling town began. We saw Bitcoin losing 63% of its value in 77 days, and I believe something like that is going to happen in 2025. We need to see that big bounce before that big dump to gobbling town begins. Right now, macro conditions are telling us we're not going to see any pump anytime soon. We have talks of tariffs, the SMB topping. We have been pumping for 2 years. If you look at it from the market cycle theory perspective, we can't keep going on forever. At some point in time, a dump is going to gobbling town, and that dump might be around the corner. In the past 24 hours, over 98,000 traders have been liquidated. That liquidation is coming in around $187 million. The largest single liquidation order happened on Bybit. One trader lost $895,000. We're expecting to see more liquidations. I expect to see a lot of bears get liquidated as we rally to higher prices. I expect to see a lot of bulls running into the market as we rally to higher prices. The last rally is always the craziest rally because that's when meme coins are pumping. That's when all the risky stocks that have not had their own time in the sun will be pumping. If you go and take a look at the top 100 cryptocurrency market capitalization, you see the leaders are not Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. We're seeing other coins have good time. The last 1 week has seen Cake rally up by 52%, CRV 10%, Bonk 16%, and if we go to the top 200 coins, you see Auction is up 122%, Fartcoin is up 39%. You get the gist. The main party is not in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. The main party is going to be in the altcoin market. If you take a look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, there's still fear right now. Last month, there was neutral sentiment in the market. Last week, there was fear. We're expecting to see some greed before that dump to gobbling town. The market, sentiment-wise, looks like the bottom on the 27th of February 2025. Right now, we have seen the market get to as high as neutral sentiment. That was on the 20th of March. In the next few days, in the next few weeks, as we continue rallying to higher prices, expect to see improved sentiment, expect to see market participants calling for new all-time highs. This time is different. We are going to the moon. They'll be grading the market. Nobody wants to sell. Guys, anytime the crowd is happy, anytime the crowd is excited that we're going to the moon, that's when you should be selling for some sweet profit. Anytime the crowd is fearful, anytime the crowd is scared, that is your cue to buy for a good price. Now let's take a look at some news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. Theta 6 Big 4 firm for its full financial audit. Cryptocurrency giants targets $1 billion for new funds, expect over subscription. Crypto Super PAC network to back GOP House candidates in Florida, and Nigeria still open to crypto business despite rocky path. Coinbase in talks to buy derivative exchange Deribit. And Ethereum open interest hits all-time high. With Ethereum price follow, are the bulls long in the market expecting it to pump? That's why we're seeing huge open interest. Or is there a lot of people shorting the market expecting Ethereum to dump to gobbling town? No matter where you see it, I believe we'll see a pump in the coming days and coming weeks. So if market participants are shorting the market, we might see some late shorts get liquidated before we begin our dump to gobbling town. If we're seeing bulls along the market, that might give us a fuel to pump in the next few days. Strategy announced a 10% preferred stock offering to buy more Bitcoin. Market seller is delivering up again. Will this end in a bad way? We'll find out in the bottom of the bear market if he will be the next main character to get slaughtered for the progress of the cryptocurrency market. Tornado mixer dropped from US Barclays. German financial regulator prohibits sales of Ether to USDE. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. Bitcoin currently trades around $84,000. Ethereum currently trades around $1,989. Solana is battling the $130 range. Are you still bullish on the cryptocurrency market? Do you still believe there's still fuel for us to continue pumping in this short-lived crypto bull market? The bull market started in November of 2022 and according to me ended in December of 2024. Do you believe that's the end, or we are still pumping 4-year cycle? Which theory do you believe is playing out? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.